Hello students, good morning. Today we are starting a new topic from the chapter matrices whose name is transpose of matrix. This is the property of matrix, another property of matrix. So in this topic we studied about what is the transpose of matrix, what are the properties of transpose of matrix, and based on transpose two type of matrix are there, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So in this topic we studied about this type of topics. So first, transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Let A equal to Aij Mn is a given matrix. Then transpose of matrix A is denoted by A dash or A transpose. A be a matrix with order m cross n is a given. Then transpose of matrix A is denoted by A or A transpose. Here A transpose equal to A dash equal to Aij n cross m. Now this shows that the transpose which can be obtained by interchanging the row and column of the given matrix is called transpose of a matrix. For example, if A equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. This is a matrix of order 2 by 3. So this implies that A dash equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. 3 by 2. If the order of matrix A is 2 by 3, then the order of matrix A dash will be 3 by 2. So this is a basic concept of transpose. That means the transpose of a matrix, of a given matrix, is obtained by interchanging the row and column of a given matrix. And the most important thing is that if the order of the given matrix is m cross n, m by n, then the order of matrix of a transpose is n cross n. Now properties. Properties of transpose. First, A transpose equal to A. Transpose of a transpose of A is equal to A. Second, if A and B are two given matrix of same order, then A plus B whole transpose equal to A dash plus B dash. If A and B are two given matrix of same order, then the transpose of A plus B is equal to the transpose of A plus transpose of B. This property same as follow as a minus sign. Third, if A be a given matrix and K be a scalar. K be a scalar, then transpose of Ka equal to Ka transpose. That means the scalar number is not affected by the sign of transpose. And now next property, if A and B are two given matrices such that then transpose of AB equal to B transpose A transpose. If A and B are two given matrices, then transpose of AB equal to the transpose of B into transpose of A. So there are some important properties of the transpose of matrix. Now, the new topic based on transpose of a matrix is symmetric matrix. So what is symmetric matrix? Let A equal to Aij be a given matrix, given square matrix, then A is called symmetric matrix, if A transpose equal to A or A dash equal to A. A be a given square matrix, then A is called symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to A or A dash equal to A. For example, A equal to A H G H B F G F C. I am taking one example. Here A dash, that means we want to interchange the row and column. So AHG become column AHG, HBF become column HBF, GFC become column GFC. This is again A. So in symmetric matrix, Aij equal to Aji. This implies that A12 equal to A21, A23 equal to A32, A13 equal to A31, etc. We know that well. This number has the place A11, this is A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So for memorize, we have A11, A22 and A33, maybe any numbers. Now we start with A12. This is A12. Now A12 become A21. So this value have the same as this. A23. This is A23. So again this become A32. This is A13. So this become A31. So this is the terminology for memorize. So in this symmetric matrix, always we have Aij equal to Aji. And next, now skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Let A be a given square matrix given square matrix, then A is called skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A or A dash equal to minus. For example, A equal to 0 B C minus B 0 D minus C minus D 0. Suppose that A is the given matrix, square matrix of 3 by 3. Now A transpose equal to, we have 0 BC, so this becomes 0 BC minus B 0 D minus B 0 D, and third row minus C minus D 0. Take common minus from matrix. So now we have 0 BC minus B 0 D and minus C minus D 0 is equal to minus A. So in this matrix, if you find A dash, we get minus A. So A is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. So in skew symmetric matrix, in this example, we have A equal to 0 BC minus B 0 D minus C minus D 0. We first find transpose of A and take minus sign. So we again have minus A. So this shows that because A dash equal to minus A, so A is the skew symmetric matrix. So we are observing here in skew symmetric matrix, first thing is that the elements of principal diagonals are 0. So in skew symmetric matrix, AII equal to 0. That means A11, A22, A33 are equal to 0, and Aij equal to minus Aji. This implies that A11, A22, A33 are 0, and this number, suppose that A12, so this become minus A21, A13 become minus A31, etc. So here we observe all the diagonal elements are 0. This is A12, so this become minus A21. This is A13, so this become minus A31. This is A23, this is minus A32. So this is the way of memorize the example of skew symmetric matrix. हम कैसे skew symmetric matrix और symmetric matrix के example को याद रखें. So in symmetric matrix, Aij equal to Aji. A, the diagonal element, we take any values, but other values should be taken as Aij equal to Aji. That means A12 replaced by A21, A13 replaced by A31. Similarly, in skew symmetric matrix, diagonal elements, this is first, this is a square matrix. Second, diagonal elements are always 0. Third, A12 replaced by minus A21, A13 replaced by minus A31. So this is the type of memorize this type of examples. Now I am taking some problems based on transpose of a matrix. Question number first: if matrix A equal to elements are 2, minus 3, minus 7, 5 of order 2 by 2, matrix B equal to 1 0 2 minus 4, then verify that twice A whole transpose equal to twice A transpose. Second part, A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and third, AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So we start with first. These all three questions satisfying three properties of a transpose of matrix. So first part is there, A equal to 2 minus 3 minus 7 5. This implies that twice A equal to 4 minus 6 minus 14 10. This is a scalar multiplication. So twice A become 2 to the 4 minus 6 minus 14 10. This implies that twice A transpose equal to, interchange the row and column, so this become 4 minus 6 minus 14 and 10. This is equation number first. Now right hand side, twice of A dash. This means twice this is a matrix A, so A dash become 2 minus 3 minus 7 5. 2 A dash means transpose of matrix A. 2 minus 3 become column, minus 7 5 become column. When we open this, 2 to the 4 minus 14 minus 6 and 10. This is the second equation. So from first and second, twice A whole transpose equal to twice of A transpose. This is the first part of the question. The second part, A plus B. First we find A plus B. A plus B means 2 minus 3 minus 7 5 plus B 1 0 2 minus 4, that means 2 plus 1 3 minus 3 0 minus 3 minus 5 1. This is the value of A plus B. This implies that A plus B whole transpose equal to, now interchange the row and column, so this become 3 minus 3 minus 5 1. So first we find left hand side A plus B transpose. Now A dash plus B dash. So what is the A dash? 2 minus 3. Convert 2 minus 3 minus 7 5 plus B dash means 1 0 2 minus 4. Interchange the row and column of the given matrix. Addition 2 plus 1 3 minus 7 2 minus 5 minus 3 0 minus 3 and 5 4 1. Second, from first and second, from equation first and second, this is the value of A plus B dash and this is the value of A dash plus B dash. We have A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now third part of this question. First, we find AB. That means first matrix 2 minus 3 minus 7 5 into second matrix 1 0 2 minus 4. Now multiply. So we have 2 1 2 minus 3 2 जा minus 6, 2 0 जा 0, minus 3 4 जा 12, in second row minus 7 ja minus 7 plus 10 and 0 5 4 ja minus 20. So we have minus 4 12 3 minus 20. This is the equation number first. No, sorry, this is the value of AB. Then AB transpose can be written as minus 4 12, interchange the row and column, 3 minus 20. Assume this equation has 1. So this is the value of A B dash. Now we find B dash into A dash. Then B dash A dash equal to, what is B dash here? Transpose of B, 1 0, interchange 2 minus 4, multiply with A dash, that means 2 minus 3 minus 7 5, multiply 1 2 ja 2, 2 3 ja minus 6, 1 7 ja minus 7, 2 5 ja 10, 0 2 ja 0, minus minus plus 12, and 0 7 ja minus 0, 4 5 ja minus 20. So this become minus 4 3 12 minus 20. So B dash A dash equal to, here minus 4 3 12 minus 20. This is equation number second from first and second. From first and second. AB whole transpose equal to B dash A dash. So this is the third part of this question, verifying by the given matrix.